Now I only eat fruits this way. To begin, let's cut 2 peaches into little cubes. We'll also cut strawberries and grapes. Let's move the fruits to a dish and mix them. In a pot, we'll put 1 carton of heavy cream, 1 carton of condensed milk, 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and we'll mix. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. Now let's pour the cream over the fruits. We'll melt 1 chocolate bar, add 1 carton of heavy cream, and mix. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. Let's pour the chocolate ganache over the fruits and leave it in the fridge for 4 hours. And our delicious dessert is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!